Easy come, easy go.
Gentlemen, welcome to Millionaire's Marina at Papagayo. Once the bus is pulled up, we'll all get out as a group and then we'll walk down and get your boarding passes for the boat. Thank you.
We are going to start the boarding now at 10:35. 10:40 for boarding. The catamaran is just down the front. As you walk down, you'll see the catamaran on the left-hand side. Big white catamaran, you can't miss it. Right beside the boarding, there are toilets. The toilets on board are special marine toilets. We would just ask you please on board not to put paper into the toilets, only in the bins, okay? And for now, that's all you need to know. We'll tell you everything else at boarding, okay? While you're out and about in Papagayo, of course, you don't have to wear your masks, but you will have to wear them if you come inside to make a payment and when we're doing the boarding, okay? So, anybody making a payment, please follow me inside. Prepaid tickets, bill will change right here. If only the person paying comes in, that would be great.
Right, so ladies, gents, kids, we're your crew, we're here to help you, so if you need anything, come and ask us. Now, I'm shutting up, the bar is open, and you can get outside as well.